Howdy guys, Jimmy Song here for Offchain. I am here today to announce the winner of the Programming Blockchain Scholarship for Tampa. But before I get to that, I just want to remind you guys that there are 2 additional Programming Blockchain seminars coming after Tampa. There's one going to be in Hong Kong on March 21st and 22nd and 23rd, followed by one in Seoul on March 26th and 27th. Please, apply on the website. I'm really excited to be going to Asia. I will be coming out with some sort of video to explain bulletproofs to people. I think my explanation videos have been doing pretty well, especially about some of the newer technologies that are coming out. So I'll be doing that as well. Anyway, I want to bring into the broadcast Danny from Pinkcoin. Danny, if you could unmute yourself. First of all, thank you for all of these scholarships so far have all been sponsored by Pinkcoin. I'm trying to get other sponsors for some of the future ones. But Danny, can you tell us what Pinkcoin is doing and why you guys are sponsoring so many scholarships?
Yeah, well, thanks for having me on the show, Jamie, and thanks for doing this amazing service and educating a lot of people on how to program on the blockchain, because it's something that there's not enough of. There's not enough people that are knowledgeable, that are sharing this knowledge with others. So thank you for doing such a great service. Pinkcoin is just trying to pioneer the social impact blockchain space and give people an opportunity to donate to those social impact causes and do it with blockchain. Just have transparency and see where your donations go to, and see that 90% of it is not going to administrative fees like with traditional donations. And so we love what you're doing, and we are all about educating people and giving back to people that are doing good things. And so we've decided to sponsor. I think this is our 5th scholarship with you now, and we're excited, man. We just want to keep doing it because we love, like we said, we love what you're doing, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a small amount of money, so it's very generous of you, and I'm obviously very happy about having more students, especially deserving students that are obviously very smart. They have to be in order to pass the filters and do. Yeah. So anyway, without further ado, we want to bring in the winner of the Tampa Blockchain Scholarship. We decided to award this one to a woman because we want to support women in the Bitcoin space, and we want to get them involved and more interested in stuff. So without further ado, here is Kiki. If you could unmute yourself. How do you feel, Kiki, about all this?
I feel great. I'm really happy about getting this experience. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit about your background and what you've been doing and how you got interested in Bitcoin?
So I first found Bitcoin about 1.5 years ago. I was reading. My grandfather got me a subscription to the London Review of Books, and they had a really big article on it. And as soon as I read it, I was interested in it. So I started looking into it. But I was first interested in blockchain programming because if you think about where our world is going to go in the future, I thought it would be like blockchain programming and AI and that sort of thing. And so I was really interested in learning about it. So.
Well, great. Yeah, I mean, we're obviously happy to have you at this seminar. What do you plan to do with the knowledge that you're going to gain? Like, are you planning to do some sort of open source project? Are you going to contribute to something? Are you going to try to make this your career? What's sort of the thought process there?
I'm not really sure yet. I'm pretty new to this sort of thing, but with the things I'm learning in the seminar, I'm really hoping to try and start a project on STEM education, because I really think that that's going to be something that I could use personally and something that a lot of other people could use in the school system. So I'm hoping to try and create a project on that.
Yeah, that would be wonderful, and especially if you can educate even more people. That's obviously a goal that I've had, and having different perspectives and being able to teach to sort of a different set of people, that would be absolutely wonderful. So congratulations, Kiki. You're well deserving of the scholarship, and I'm sure Danny's very happy about being able to sponsor someone as qualified as yourself. So yeah, congratulations.
Definitely, congratulations, Kiki.
Froze.
Yeah, so we might have frozen or something like that. There's Hangouts always does something kind of weird. Yeah. All right. Anyway, thank you guys for joining. And I do want to do sort of like a longer show, but at least for today, I just wanted to announce the winner. I'm looking forward to seeing you, Kiki, on Thursday. Bright and early, 8:30 a.m. and we're going all the way to 5 p.m. with very little break. In fact, we're having lunch cater because I found that if I let students out for lunch, it takes too long and we don't get to finish. So all classroom time. It's going to be 2 days of a fire hose of information. Hope you're ready for it. Get some sleep and make sure you're prepped for it. Anyway, thank you so much, and you guys that are watching. Thank you for joining us. Anyway. Any last words from you, Kiki?
I just wanted to say thank you for choosing me for this. I'm really excited to be there in Tampa and get this experience, and I just want to learn as much as I can about this. So thank you.
Danny, any last words from you?
Congratulations and best of luck, Kiki.
All right. Well, thank you guys, and this song is done.